Welcome to this comprehensive video about the Infinix Note 40 Pro, a remarkable smartphone that has been making waves since its launch. As your friendly tech guide, I'm here to walk you through every detail, feature, and innovation packed into this device. So, let's dive right in. Design and build. The Note 40 Pro boasts a sleek and elegant design, weighing in at 190 grams, or 196 grams, depending on the variant, and measuring 8.1 millimeters in thickness. It features an IP53 rating, making it dust and splash resistant. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, offers vibrant colors and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Note 40 Pro houses the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset, built on a 6nm process. The octa-core CPU combines 2x2.2 GHz Cortex-A78 cores with 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, UFS 2.2, multitasking and storage won't be an issue. Camera excellence. The triple rear camera setup includes 108MP main sensor, f1.8, with PDAF and OIS, 22MP auxiliary sensors, f2.4. Capture stunning photos and record videos in 1440p at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 30/60th frame per second. The front-facing 32MP selfie camera, f2.2, ensures crisp and detailed self-portraits. Audio and connectivity. Enjoy immersive sound with stereo speakers tuned by JBL. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11a, EB, EG, ENEAC, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, market dependent, and an infrared port. Battery and charging. The 5000 mAh non-removable battery keeps you powered throughout the day. Fast charging capabilities, 45W wired charging, 50% in 26 minutes, and 20W wireless mag charge. It also supports reverse wired and wireless charging. Color options. Choose between vintage green and Titan gold variants. Pricing and pre-order gifts. The Note 40 Pro is priced at approximately €270. Pre-order gifts include a special speaker for online orders and other surprises for offline orders. Wrapped present conclusion. In summary, the Infinix Note 40 Pro is a feature-packed smartphone that caters to both tech enthusiasts and everyday users. Whether you're in Pakistan or anywhere else, this device is bound to impress. So, stay tuned for more dedicated videos, including a deep dive into the 5G variant. Until then, keep exploring the world of tech. Rock it!